Okay, boys, so I just got out of the shower. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. And it is snowing here in Texas. This does not generally happen. But I decided I'm gonna go ahead and take my charger for a little POV drive. Obviously nothing crazy because, as stated, I'm from Texas and we don't do this whole snow driving thing. But yeah, you can go ahead and witness me POV driving on soft compound tires. They're a little gone, but hey, that's okay. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this content, just leave a like, comment down below if you have a lot of experience driving in the snow, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the car. Oh my god. All right, so we're in the car. I let it warm up for a second. This is such an unfamiliar sight in Texas. It's so weird. But again, probably won't do many sins. We already can't catch traction.
A few moments later.
Oh, yeah. And we're off. So I did a little bit of driving earlier. I just tested the waters a little bit. I'm sorry, Mom. I know you didn't want me driving. It's just like a big slushy out here. I mean, as you see, I think you could see a lot of it is melting, thankfully. Oof. But that is causing it to be way more slick than it was before. So I know this is a little bit of a POV drive, but it's more, you can just feel embarrassed for me for being a bad driver in the snow, especially if you're from up north. These are probably great conditions for you. You probably think this is like a good day. We got about like an inch of snow, which probably doesn't sound like a lot, but here in Texas, I don't know if y'all saw on Fort Worth, the crash that they had down there. It was like 100-something car pile up and 6 people died. Yeah, so we're trying to avoid that happening in Houston. We'll go this way. I want to go through Harvest. Nice little drift. Oh, it does not want to catch right here. Not one bit. I mean, if you drive really slow, you can have some fun in it. This is my first time ever driving in snow. Like today is, I did it earlier today, but yeah, so it could be a little bit of fun. And I was doing a little bit of not even on purpose drifts, but it's fun just because you don't have to have a lot of wheel speed or momentum to flick it out sideways. But I will say it is scary, and definitely if you don't have any experience with drifting or learning counter steer, I would recommend staying inside for sure. But man, it's so weird to see. Oh, the car is trying to get a little sideways. That's okay. I wish I was an absolute drift legend and I would try to, you know, hit these little roundabouts. But it just so happens that I am not a drift legend. Oh my goodness, it's a slushy over here. But man, would you have ever thought that this would be a view in Houston, Texas? I never would have thought that we'd have gotten snow like this. Because usually, like, whenever it snows, it's like a kind of just like a nasty, muddy slushy, which, I mean, this is that a good amount, but it's never like filled the roads like this, or, you know, even that. But most of it has really dried out. It's 4:31 p.m. At like 9 a.m. when I woke up, it looked crazy. It looked like a movie. Hook and book. Oh, I forgot it turns into another slushy. We're just kind of gliding around the corner. Sorry for my just weird cutouts and commentary. I'm trying to focus because while it is fun, it's also not much of a game. It'd be an absolute financial crisis for me to crash this car. So we're trying not to do that. We can have a little bit of fun with the tires. As long as I don't let it go out too far. I'm gonna give these people some room. Everyone's been out walking there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so, oh my goodness. I'm barely even tapping the gas, I just keep losing traction. Whew, that glare. I don't even know if y'all can see anything. I barely can. Let her get just a little sideways. See, the good thing is you don't have to do an absolute sand to get it sideways. Just, it's been such an inconvenience and all the power outages. Here in Texas, we just were not prepared to deal with such a thing. Oh yeah, slide her out, slide her out. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, stop. I was feeling like hello, I'm Jensen for a second. You hit a little skirt, skirt. It is ridiculously fun though. Just hitting some little baby drifts. If you see, my wheels just keep catching and then losing traction. I'm not even changing what I'm doing on the throttle. Alright. The sketchiest things to me are things like this, where like you just don't 110% know if your wheels are gonna grip. We'll do one more little baby slide. Just for fun. Just because it's not so often that I can get sideways at 2 miles an hour with no repercussion. So yeah, let's just hit one more little baby one and then we'll alright. That's enough of that for the moment. Ooh. See, it gets just a little bit sketchy. But hey, I think it's fun. I almost want, I don't know, we'll do one in sport to see what it's like with the traction toned down a little. But what we don't want to happen is a big oopsie. You can have a little bit of fun with it, but nothing too wild. Alright, that's a little much. We're hitting some little baby manjis, but I think I've done enough driving around. I don't know entirely how long this video is, but I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. That's me driving in the snow for one of the first times. I mean, I did like 5 minutes earlier today, and just playing around, messing around in the Charger. Hopefully you enjoyed my little baby slides, and if you did, just hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and again, let me know if you have a lot of experience driving in the snow, and if so, where are you from. But that's going to conclude the video, so thank you guys.